Hi everybody, welcome to Perfect eLearning channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a brief about what we are going to study in this upcoming week. So are you guys ready for some amazing topics coming up for the week? So if I talk about the first topic, whenever we think about machine learning, the first ever thing that comes in our mind is data set, isn't it? So, what is data set and how to generate the data set? That is the question that we are going to answer today. Of course, while there are many data sets that we can find on the websites like Kaggle, but sometimes it is very much useful to extract the data on your own and generate your own data set. So, you should know how to generate your own data set if you're working in machine learning, because that is going to give you control over the data and that is going to allow you to train your model very well. So this is the first ever topic, that is generating test data sets in machine learning. Okay. So we would be going in much more detail with proper example. But before that, let me tell you the another topic. And we would be using NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib in this particular topic. The other topic is a Python project. That is, we would be creating a quiz game in Python. So what is it? What is the quiz? Have you ever, played any quiz game? Of course, yes. So this is we are going to create our own quiz game. So this is about questions and answers. We would be using simple Python for the same, and we would be making a very simple application that will be a Python project, which you guys can add in your resume as well. Okay. So I'm very sure you understood the what part of generating the test cases and creation of the quiz game projects in brief. So how to develop it, how to use it, we would be understanding the same in our upcoming videos that would be launched on Wednesday, that is 31st August, and Friday, that is 2nd September. So for the notifications, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get the update of the next videos. So see you guys in the next videos. Take care. Bye-bye.